So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNTUH Explainer. In our previous video, we started our new series which was CCIDF Unit 1, Foundations of Digital Forensics, and we completed the first topic which was digital evidence. In the same way, now I will be focusing on the topic 2 which is Principles of Digital Forensics. See, I have completely written down the notes in by my own hand, and I know what I'm writing and what are the important things that need to be covered in our exam. That's the reason if you want my handwritten notes, you just comment down PDF. I will share you my link. There you can get my own notes. Second, let's start our video. Here, what do you mean by principles of digital forensics? The definition is, this refers to the basic rules that must be followed while collecting and analyzing digital evidence so that it is valid in courtrooms. See, if you are someone who is organized, or you are under an organization, there you need to do your entire work in a through following some principles. Like, you cannot enter whenever you want in your office, or you cannot do whatever you want to do. So in digital forensics, every step which you are doing should be following some principles. Like, if you get some WhatsApp messages as a evidence, or you get some images which are not tampered in the what do we say, crime spot, then you need to follow some principle while collecting and analyzing them. So what are the important characteristics? Tampering the data. Original data shouldn't be touched or damaged, or always work on a copy. What does this mean? So, tampering the data. No tampering of the data or editing of the data should be done by you until and unless you need to work on that. And in the second one, original data shouldn't be touched or damaged. If you get something, you should directly take that and keep it safely, and always work on a copy. If you want to find out ELA analysis, or noise analysis, or edge analysis, you need to copy down the data, exact data, and then you need to work on that. And second one, chain of custody. Proper tracking must be there. Proper tracking of the data from sender to destination should be recorded. Chain of custody here, wherever the messages are coming from, or wherever the messages are being forwarded from that targeted mobile, should be arranged in a chain that things get easy to solve. And third one, proper documentation. And the third one is proper documentation. Everything should be noted and documented. What, when, how, and collected should everything be noted. See, everything happens through a stepwise. If someone is trying to attack someone, he doesn't openly go and attack. He always try to oversmart the person, and then he attacks. In the same way, when did he first message the person, or when did he first get in interaction with that person, then how did he interacted with the person, what are the things he did to get in touch with that person, everything that you are getting as evidence, that should be collected and noted in somewhere. In the same thing, the fourth topic is valid tools and methods. Only trusted forensic tools must be used, no random softwares. See, when you are trying to solve a case, everything that you are doing from the since of your starting, you need to use that same methods and tools to get the proper evidence. You cannot just use random softwares and get the answers, because it's a place where some person has been targeted and he has been looted. And fifth one is evidence must be authentic. Data should be original, no fake or edited. Nowadays, when a politician does any type of scam, or any a big businessman or big candidate does any type of scam, the only thing our own policeman does is they are removing the authenticity of that crime, so that evidence remains illogical while showing to the judge or in courtrooms. In the same way, data should be original, no fake or edited. In some lump sums, they in exchange of money, they ruin this authenticity, and that image has been tampered. In the same way, sixth point is secure the evidence. Evidence should be protected, no unauthorized access. If you are someone who is dealing with that crime or that case, only you are authorized to access that images or access that pen drives or whatever the evidence you have get. So evidence should always be protected until and unless that is shown in the courtrooms. So what is a in real life example? So suppose police catch a hacker. Let's suppose the hacker is A. They take his laptop, right? They take his laptop. Instead of opening directly, first make a copy of the hard disk, work on the copy, record who handled it, use forensic tools. When they use this, when they take his laptop, whatever the that are present in his hard disk, directly not working on them, just make a copy of that hard disk and keep the original hard disk separately to show as an evidence in the courtroom. Then whatever the recordings or reportings you get from that hard disk, that you can directly implement in the original data to show in your courtrooms. If no tampering of evidence, then easy win in the court. For example, the image has not been tampered, or the reportings or the documentation which you have done are not been tampered, then directly you can show that in the courtrooms and you can easily win the case without what we may taking a long time to judge. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any type of doubt, you can directly comment on, and soon I'll be back with the unit 1 topic 3. Till then, subscribe, and if you want the notes of this video, please just comment on yes, and I will directly share you the PDF link. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.